So here we go. We've arrived at the end of the mini program. I hope you enjoyed it and it was full of value for you. My goal starting was very simple. I tried listening to you last year to replace some of the noise you're hearing with a practical journey you can apply wherever you are, whether you're starting or you're already in the role and you want to scale your role. We look at theme 1, that was really much getting into the game, finding the roles, building a credible skill stack and connecting the dots, speaking in outcomes. We looked at theme 2, that was about getting funded, staying credible, the CFO lens, prioritization, business cases, and early proof in the first 90 days. And theme 3, the last one, was all about delivery, was about scaling, roadmaps, change management, scaling beyond pilots, and the pilot purgatory phase, and staying in control, with multiple vendors existing and AI as an augmenting intelligence, not as an artificial intelligence. So if you miss any episode, you can definitely replay the series in order, and if you want the full checklist, let me know, subscribe to the newsletter. Now for me is the time to get feedback from you. Did you like it? What was useful for you? What did you miss? And maybe this is just trimester 1. There is another trimester coming. We could go deeper into leading transformation in the real world. We could talk about decision making, more governance, and all the habits that build credibility over time if you like. So let me know, and I hope to see you around. Connect and enjoy the journey. This is most important. Take care.